because where on my be say Cote d'Ivoire 2023 kwame omo qualify to the AFCON no omo chi Seychelles enye a top team in African football omo chi omo kwame omo shi omo watche 8 goals to 0 omo obi ehun say wasa also most widen wasa time Nigeria even this time Nigeria national team no almost in their World Cup qualifier no almost struggle because in their 4 matches Nigeria has drawn 3 and about lose back. So Nigeria has 3 points in their group. But when they were playing the qualifiers in the last AFCON, which is Sao Tome and Principe Kwame, who didn't score like home and away, 16-0.
16-0.
16. Yeah, cricket. And yeah, basketball. And yeah, tennis. Almost 10-0. And I'm going to show 6-0 and away. 16-0. And I'm going to show my friend say Sao Tome and Principe. It is on my Ghana. No share chat and Kwame and ye lucky because your group rules Madagascar for through the wide. Enti Nico Mr. Table at 2 screen so. Now a tape for NRF for enjoying the Opemsuo radio on Facebook Kwame. So we're screen that and the Madagascar 10 points. Before the start of a day, that Ghana at the top of the group bro. But they right now Madagascar 10 points because almost share Central African Republic by 4 goals to 1. And Yami had about 9 o'clock. Over your Comoros, any of my friend Mali ever. On the hindsight, over Gasa Mali with Tom Saint fight, or more over the quality with a new manager, they can defeat my friend Morocco because this game will play at Bekan, Ewo Morocco. Enti Comoros enya mosa game wo the island. Enti so tie Zuba a year. No tell ama who say disadvantage the home team enya brom mo fi say they will not get their number 12 man. That's the supporters to troop in their numbers to support their home base team. Enti so mo ekwa away a diom ebenya kakra ebio metimi afford the flight to go to Morocco. And they were screen no. Madagascar 10. Almost 9 goals. I consider 3 goals. What it means is that they have plus of 6 goals. And the plus of 6 goals, a bit more mathematics. Now I heard the goals for count and then make team qualify. When you look at the table, cricket Ghana, it's just 7. I consider 5 goals. What means is that right now you're plus of 2 goals. Si abia de mo chakwame si ansha more goals in the final analysis when all the points are equal. Kodamika Comoros and Mali game of course 9 o'clock here enche there kosono. Tom Saintfiet the Belgian and they over replace Eric Sekushele and the web manager in Nigeria as the manager of Mali. And when we say since Ghana share Mali 2-1 ewo mufiero. Oza Mali elusu game. Okay. About 9 matches. Mali out winning 5 and about draw 4. Going into this game, that's the record of Mali and Kwame. On the other hand, Comoros so their last 8 matches. Almost elusubi. Comoros last 8 or lusubi. We draw 4 and we winning 4. Tirecha say and the game Kwame a bet me end in a drawn game if all things is to be equal.
Okay.
Cause last 9 matches on Lusu
Ubenya nke nko say.
Kwa benya anke draw be drawn so ahun. Comoros be got 10 points. Mali ever 6 points. What it means is that Ghana yami admochra we will start on Friday. E be start the game on the 3rd position on the log.
Okay.
And do you say on the log no?
Yes,
on the first team A blue. Also blue.
Yeah.
Automatic qualification.
Yes, I don't know.
And I second the A green.
Green.
That means we go about the continental playoff no. No they qualify. Bibi Ghana dey no. Say that what they above we are. What means is that Ghana will not be qualifying. One day, Amane,
Sure.
So this game, and in a drawing game, and that will be the effect. And if Mali is to win, Mali ever 8 points. Mali ba 8. I come on rush back 9 points. Ghana back 9 because your boy there Friday.
Okay.
Now the league log between first and then fourth, I bet just 2 points per. So game because you have had my next bequame. Ghana interest pa. Said ye, come on rush Esha. Oh, come on, got 12 points. Now, what means is that Malina, ye would say term quality wise, or also no. Obeka 4 with 5 points. Then between Mali and Ghana, Yamoy 4 points and a day 10.
Okay.
And that me win here. Not a point between ye and Malino, I got 7 points. Kwabia 12, now Mali I got 5. Then ya kiki Mali every day. The qualification. Kwa more than make an. Say Mali a free one. Now Abeka, Comoros, Madagascar. And yes, sir, and then you bring. Say Mali every say keep. Kwame. Mali Abam. And where Comoros, Yenaka, how are recently Ghana Yen Tibuamo. And say, Sagame will acquire their favor and a Mali favor. Although say between Mali and Comoros, one more game beyond. We been the first time ever share in any competitive game. It is quite a more Comoros ever share because it was a football and psychological game. I guess even everything that we do in this life, say Tama Usano, now or Klebiko, no tabua. They be a would be around with the pram.
So
because only say we mistake now Otia Kwame was so mercy. And that's what Ghana will be suffering when you meet Comoros. So we don't want to meet them at a time whereby the advantage goes for them. If we can meet them, it should be on our own terms. It should be say yeah, they dictating where the game should go. And thus taking advantage of a game, no. But neither I say the game between Comoros and then Mali a draw game. A draw player here because a better Mali because 6 points. Near 3 points than between here and Mali about 1 point. Because players naturally say they cannot play under pressure.
They cannot play under pressure.
Yeah. When the going gets tough, when we need a victory to qualify Kwame, or Manchester Omanyade, because here in Nigeria, so Sudan rather, Omega Chair said Sudan 4 years lucky, no. Not the game against Sudan. No game and no must win. Kwame Boa. Never say we never find out such. There they see. Young go lose. Yeah, go goal and yeah victory. Yet me a victory. No. Yeah. So recently, some players were actually NTV, even the AFCON. You share Mozambique. In the final game, you need 2-0. And you hear a victory to qualify. Egypt ever drawn. There they see it. Yeah, I think I need that.
Mama Phantom said His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Ewemo Blasters training ground. So and Rolly pictures no Facebook, Mama Sisiana. Yeah, motivation was wrong. Seriously, motivation was wrong.
Have no excuse. There, how the dignitaries echo the Blasters camp, no? Because you can't say more from say what is good for the goose is equally good for the gander. And then, sir, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama HR2. And sir, Honorable Kofi Adama, Minister of Sports and Recreation, Omucha Tuan Kwame. Omu Maria sir, Omedi sir. Kwamu Ekatre say, Omu Eyoche Eyadwa. All the national teams or the sporting activities of Ghana, Omedi actually. And a blaster and the other, Edru. His Excellency, out to the number of people or a because all says you opinion, who ye or Sahiri or Kubrim.
Okay.
And a day or cool every day, Edru. say Ghana ya qualify best or 10 and 9 day ya qualify
okay
the last time Ghana come ji AFCON like 82 bebo 82 no ubeke ya na Ghana ke nko because all that time jeje be ku 81 no and now okacha of the debate bia they have to go to Libya and play ti jeje in the debate man and e ko ya nkwa and then you see the last time ji AFCON day 82 ti ke ya nkwa that tournament then ke besi. That means say can 79 and the last time I did there AFCON. So we are taking that Kwame motivation number but now we Ghana dia Ghana game there my mom pay our uncle. So we to be chada Kwame my consistent omunjai the Comoros against Mali there e ho there we no pay bona there akọ enya draw come Mali e sha Kwame one we ya namwa
o de semedin ka Canada o nya Ghana ni
Kwame
e ban blasters in same way ho a
sem mechanical cre
onya no ne de hene ye bom pa ya matim no
cre say
ti se me bom pa ya matim
so amaya omazube omasa